Good day, everyone! I am Teacher Jeza, your math buddy. For today, we are going to discuss bago tayo magsimula, kinakailangan nating ihanda ang inyong mga kagamitan. Ihanda ang mga sumusunod. Ang inyong Clive module, ballpen, at papel na maaari ninyong gamitin sa pagsosolve. Handa na ba kayo? Kung handa na, tara na!
General Mathematics, Week 2 of the Mathematics Clade Learning Module. Before we start, let us first know what is a rational expression. A rational expression is an expression that can be written as a ratio of two polynomials. A rational equation is an equation involving rational expression. Look at the example. 1 over x plus 2 over 3x equals 1 over 5. A rational inequality is an equality involving rational expressions. Look at the example. Pansinin ninyo na nagkaroon na ng inequality sign. And the last one, a rational function. A function of the form x is equal to p of x over q of x, where p of x and q of x are polynomial functions and q of x is not the zero function. Look at the example. At ngayong alam nyo na ang pinagkaiba ng rational equation, rational inequality, at rational function. Determine whether the given is a rational function, a rational equation, a rational inequality, or none of this. Handa na ba kayo? Y equals 5x cubed minus 2x plus 1. What is your answer? The answer is none of this. This example is just a polynomial function. Next, 8 over x minus 8 is equal to x over 2x minus 1. The answer is correct. This is an example of a rational equation. How about this one? This is an example of a rational inequality. Very good. How about this? Ito naman ay isang halimbawa ng rational function. Tama. This time, let us now solve rational equations. Solve for x over x plus 2 minus 1 over x minus 2 is equal to 8 over x squared minus 4. To solve this equation, let us first factor out the equation. This will now become x over x plus 2 minus 1 over x minus 2 is equal to 8 over, what are the factors of x squared minus 4? It is x plus 2 and x minus 2. Now, let us multiply both sides of the equation by their LCD. Ano ang LCD na equation na to? The LCD is x plus 2 and x minus 2. So, let us now multiply. X plus 2, x minus 2, and on the left side, let's multiply with x plus 2 and x minus 2. Alright? So, on the first term, if we multiply the LCD, ang matitira na lamang ay, alright, makakross out si x plus 2, kaya magiging x times x minus 2. Copy the sign. How about on the second term? If we multiply the LCD, makakross out si x minus 2. Anong matitira? Tama, si x plus 2. Equals, how about on this one? Ano ang makakross out? Very good. So, makakross out sila. Therefore, ang natira na lang ay 8. So, let us now distribute x times x minus 2. X times x is x squared. X times negative 2 equals negative 2x. And then, this will now become negative x. Negative 2 equals 8. So, x squared. Combine like terms. So, magiging negative 2x minus x is equal to negative 3x. And then, transpose 8. So, magiging negative 8 equals 0. Let us simplify the equation. So, this will now become x squared minus 3x minus 10 equals 0. And then, we can now factor this out. So, ano po ang factor ng equation na ito? It is x minus 5 times x plus 2 is equal to 0. So, meron tayong value of x na x equals negative 2 or x equals 5. Since x is equal to negative 2, kapag ito ang sinubstitute natin, this will make the equation undefined. Kailan ba nagiging undefined ang isang equation? Kapag ang denominator ay naging equal to 0. Therefore, the only solution is x is equals to 5.
Now, let us try to solve more rational equations. Okay, so for this equation, x minus 2 over 2x plus 4 equals 1 over 5. So, kung makikita natin, dalawa na lang yung terms dito. Pwede tayong gumamit ng cross multiplication. Wherein, ipag-multiply natin ito, 5 times x minus 2. So, magiging 5 times x minus 2 is equal to 2x plus 4. So, minultiply. So, ang tag dito ay cross multiplication. So, now let us distribute 5 to x minus 2. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times negative 2 is equal to negative 10 equals 2x plus 4. And then, let us combine like terms. So, we will transpose negative 2 to the left. So, it will now become 5x minus 2x equals what is negative 10. When we transpose it to the right, it will now become positive 10. And therefore, we can now simplify the equation. What is 5x minus 2x? It is 3x. Very good. How about what is 4 plus 10? That is 14. And then let us divide both sides by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 14 over 3. Okay, next tayo. Alright, what is 1 over x plus 1 over 2x equals 2 over 3. Okay, so for here, we will get the LCD. What is the LCD of this equation? Ma'am, ano po ba yung LCD? That is the least common denominator. Ano po ba ang mga denominator ng equation na to? Ang mga denominator ay x, 2x, and 3. What is the LCD of this one? So, that will become, ano ang kanilang LCD? Ang LCD nilang lahat ay 6 x. Paano natin malalaman? Ito po yung parang LCM, yung least common multiple ng x, 2x, and 3. Alright? So, it means that we will now multiply the equation with the LCD, which is 6x. So isulat natin para makita ninyo ang process. So, we will multiply 6x sa lahat ng terms. Alright? So, 6x. If we multiply, so punta tayo sa first term, if we multiply 6x with 1 over x, maka-cross out na si x, and that will leave us na 6 na lang. How about this one? Alright, so i-divide na lang, maka-cross out na si x, and then 6 divided by 2 ay, ilan matitira dito? 3, kaya ito ay magiging 3 na lang. And then, on this side naman, alright, so 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Therefore, 2 times 2x is equal to 4x. Very good. And then, let us simplify the equation. 6 plus 3 is equals to 9 equals 4x. And then, let us divide both sides by 4 to get the value of x. And therefore, x is equal to 9 over 4. Very good. Okay, next tayo. Alright. So, what is the LCD of this equation? Their LCD is 1 over 12. Okay? Alright? So, therefore, let us, Alright, so for this equation, x plus 3 over 2 minus x over 4 equals 4 over 3. We will multiply the equation by their LCD, which is, what is the LCD of 2, 4, and 3? That is 12. Alright, so let us multiply the equation by 12 para mawala si denominator. Okay? So, maka-cross out 12 divided by 2 is 6. So, ano yung magiging dito? So, ganito muna natin so that you can see the process. Alright? So, 12 divided by 4 is 3x equals 12 divided by 3 is 4. And what is 4 times 4? That is 16. Alright? So, let us now distribute 6 to x plus 3. 6 times x is 6x plus 6 times 3 is 18 minus 3x equals 16. Let us combine like terms. Anong matitira dito? That this will become 6x minus 3x equals 16 minus 18. Alright. So, what is 6x minus 3x? That is positive 3x. 16 minus 18 is negative 2. So, let us divide both sides by 3. And that will give us the answer of x equals negative 2/3. Alright, next item. Okay, let us solve this rational equation. Again, what is the LCD of this one? To get the LCD of this one, let us first factor out x squared minus 1. So, the equation will become 3 over x plus 1 minus 2 over x minus 1 equals 1. So, what is the factor of x squared minus 1? So, this is sum of difference of two squares. Okay? So, kung naalala ninyo on how to factor polynomials, the factor of x squared minus 1 is x plus 1 and x minus 1. So, meron ba tayong nakikitang magkakapareho sa denominators natin? Yes, it is x plus 1. Parehas dito may x plus 1 and x minus 1. So, ano po ang least common denominator nila? What is the LCD here? So, the LCD here is here, x plus 1 and x times and x minus 1. Alright, so let us multiply the equation with the LCD x plus 1 and x minus 1. Alright. So, let us look at the first term. If we multiply this, ano ang matitira? si x plus, na-cross out na si x plus 1, right? So, ang matitira na lang is si x minus 1. Therefore, magiging 3 times x minus 1. Next one, 2 over x minus 1, maka-cross out na si x. X minus 1, matitira ay si x plus 1. Kaya ito ay magiging 2 times x plus 1. Good. How about on this one? Alright, maka-cross out na si x plus 1 and x minus 1. Ang matitira na lang ay si 1. So, now let us simplify the equation. Let us distribute 3 to x minus 1. Magiging 3 times x is equal to 3x. 3 times negative 1 ay negative 3. Next, distribute negative 2 to x plus 1. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times 1 ay negative 2. Okay po. Pagsamasamahin natin ang mga common terms. 3x minus 2x equals 1 plus 3 plus 2. Okay? And then, let us simplify. 3x minus 2x ay x. And then, 1 plus 3 ay 4. Plus 2 ay 6. Therefore, x equals 6.
Thanks for watching!
Maraming salamat at sinamahan ninyo ako sa ating pagbabalik-aral sa ikalawang linggo ng Grade 11 General Mathematics. If you have questions, send a message to your math teacher. Once again, I'm Teacher Jeza saying, Math sayang mag-aral, tayo ng Math Tuto. Bye!